Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make photos in Ghibli style. We'll embark on a creative journey to infuse your images with the magical essence of Studio Ghibli. You'll learn to capture the whimsical charm and serene beauty found in their beloved animated films. This guide will help you transform everyday scenes into something truly extraordinary, bringing a touch of fantasy to your photography. Get ready to unlock your inner artist and create stunning, dreamlike visuals. Studio Ghibli's aesthetic is defined by several key elements. Think about the soft, pastel color schemes and the warm, inviting glow of natural light, often seen at dawn or dusk. Their films feature incredibly detailed backgrounds, from lush forests to bustling cityscapes, always with a sense of wonder. Look for opportunities to include natural elements like trees, clouds, or water, and consider adding a subtle, whimsical touch to your composition. To achieve the Ghibli look, start by adjusting your photo's color balance towards warmer tones, like a golden hour glow. Reduce harsh contrasts by softening both highlights and shadows, aiming for a dreamy, ethereal quality. Pay close attention to composition, using leading lines or natural frames to draw the viewer's eye into the scene. Consider adding subtle atmospheric elements, perhaps a gentle fog or soft light rays, to enhance the magical mood. Various photo editing tools can help you refine your Ghibli-style images. Software such as Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom offers extensive control over colors, light, and textures. Explore filters that can give your photos a painterly or watercolor feel, reminiscent of hand-drawn animation. The key is to ensure all elements work together harmoniously, creating a cohesive and enchanting final piece. With consistent practice, you will develop your own distinctive Ghibli-inspired photographic style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.